Guys, first time ko mag-order ng Shein. So, kukunin na namin. Ayan, si Irish ang mastermind. Hello, Irish! Okay, so today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng Shein. First time kong order ng Shein. So, ayan. Ang dami. So, let's open. So, first order. Lagyan natin siya. I have this because here, because this 2024, the color, lucky color is golden yellow. So, I bought this. I'm not a fan of buying online, but this one is my first time. So, let's see the material. This is the golden yellow. Oh, it's actually the same in the picture.
It is cold.
Yes, you can eat. It's golden yellow.
Oh no.
So, second order. It's because also emerald green. So, we're gonna have also emerald green, of course. Yeah. Oh, it looks like really.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Because it's emerald green.
Yeah.
Here is emerald green. So not bad the quality, guys. Quality is quite nice for 11 euros. And also, of course, here another with a golden yellow and green. Charan!
Beautiful.
So, ganito lang yung mga type ko, mga simple dress. Simple dress. Oh, it looks big. It looks big to me, but we're gonna try it later, guys. Look. So, another, because it's also red.
Porridge.
Porridge.
Red. Yes. Hey, kun se on kirkkaan punainen.
Yeah, Camp 9.
Yes, it is.
So, this one I bought just for fun. For only 4.95 euros. So, I'm gonna put like this. And then, I will gonna cover her a little cardigan or something like that. So, ayan. Quality not bad. And here we have, let's see. Corset. Because I have a lot of fat, so I tried to cover my fat with this. So, from here, yan. Cover fat na yan. Kain pa more. So, maganda naman ang quality. It's very good quality, actually. And then, we're gonna have here, why I got this? This is for office, for work. This is for work. So, this is also have a dark green, yellow, and white. Oh, like that. See? For work. Or for office. Or something. How do you like that? Why I have so many? Also green. It's trousers. So, this one. So, maganda siya ang quality, guys. Maganda yung quality niya. So, ganyan siya. Not bad quality, guys, ha. And also, this one. Kasi uso ngayon, kasi nga, this is for fall or for spring. For spring. I never ordered. It's my first time ordering, but it's quite a lot. Oh, it's quite big for me. Am I too big? I ordered medium.
Is it medium?
Yeah,
It is like
it's too big.
the style. That style
Ah, the
is
style.
approved.
So, here is the partner, guys.
Mm. Oh, yeah.
So, it's gonna be like that.
Yes.
Yeah. First, maybe I can wear in our Christmas party. Nagugulat yung katabi ko dito, ba't ang dami kong ano. So, this is golden yellow, also dress. I think this is too big for me. Look at that. Extra na buttons. Look. It's very long.
Long dress.
Look. I thought that I'm gonna use it in Christmas party, but this is very long. Should I give it back? This is S actually, Rakas.
Looks very big.
Looks very big. And the last one.
My goodness. So many.
Last one is shoes. I never buy shoes in internet, so first time because I have to try it before I buy. But this is just for fun. So let's see. So beautiful kasi, guys. You know that I never wear high heel. But this is for Christmas party. So, ayan. Maganda naman ang quality. But I'm not sure if this gonna last. This one. Because I never trust in here. Ayan, dalawa siya, guys. Ayan, so may laso-laso. Thank you for watching. Bye!